Resetting your AirPods, a step-by-step guide.
Hello there. In today's tutorial, we'll be walking through the process of resetting your AirPods. This is especially useful if you're planning to sell them or give them to a new owner. By resetting, you'll erase all settings and data linked to your AirPods, ensuring that they're ready for the new owner to use.
Why should you reset your AirPods?
Resetting your AirPods ensures that they disconnect from your Apple ID and all your devices. This prevents the new owner from accessing your information or having any issues connecting the AirPods to their own devices. Also, if you're facing any technical issues with your AirPods, resetting them could potentially resolve these issues.
Preparing for the reset.
Before you reset your AirPods, ensure that they are fully charged and placed in their charging case. The charging case should also be connected to a power source. You'll also need an iOS device, such as an iPhone or iPad, to perform the reset.
The resetting process.
Now, let's get into the steps for resetting your AirPods. 1. Open the lid of your AirPods case. Make sure the AirPods are inside the case. 2. Press and hold the setup button. You'll find this small, round button on the back of the case. 3. Keep holding the button until you see the status light flash amber, then white. This process usually takes about 15 seconds. This flashing indicates that your AirPods have been reset. 4. Release the button. Your AirPods should now be reset to their factory settings. Please remember that resetting your AirPods will disconnect them from your Apple ID and all your devices, so you should only do this when you're ready to hand them over to the new owner.
What to do after resetting?
After resetting, your AirPods are ready for the new owner. They can now pair the AirPods with their own device using the normal setup process. They simply need to open the lid of the AirPods case near their device and follow the prompts that appear on their screen. That's all there is to resetting your AirPods. I hope you found this guide helpful. By following these steps, you can ensure your AirPods are ready for a new owner or troubleshoot any ongoing technical issues. Happy listening!